Aloha, my name is Ethan McCardle. I'm the lead peer mentor here at Hoʻokuaʻāina for the ASA program. The ASA program stands for Ahupua'a Systems Apprenticeship and is a program that we've set up with Windward Community College, designated for Windward side young adults who are interested in seeking furthering their education goals, and also students or young adults who are interested in Aina work and working in the land. The ASA program covers your tuition, offers a stipend, and provides a support system for students who are not only going through this journey of education, but also this journey of life. And we're here just to provide support.
Aloha guys, my name is Paul. I'm from Kaneohe. I graduated Kalo 2019, and I'm a part of the ASA program here at Hoʻokuaʻāina. For me, it's been very life-changing coming over here because it opened up a lot of new perspectives. But the main thing is you get a lot of intelligent mentors that, you know, it's just good to bounce off ideas off them, and they've been in my position, they've been in the struggle, so they know a lot more than I do. So it's good to get some mentorship.
Hello everybody, my name is Kalo. I'm from Waimanalo and I graduated from Kailua High School. I chose the ASA program because it's a good opportunity for me to get into the field of work that I want to be in, which is agricultural work. I like to work on the land, work on the Aina, because I eat a lot of vegetables and I like to grow them as well. I think the reason you should join the ASA program is because there's a lot of benefits. First off, it pays for your education. Secondly, you can get the degree you want, and it'll open more opportunity and doors for you. Third, it helps you a lot, like mentally. There's a lot of people that help me out here. They talk about me. I get to open up to them, express how I feel, and it really makes me feel like I'm safe here, and it's worth being here.
And if you guys are interested in joining the ASA program for Hoʻokuaʻāina, feel free to log on to hoʻokuaʻāina.org/ASA and sign up soon, because the deadline is coming up pretty quick. And yeah, have a good day.